You have some great loved ones in your life that support you. They know that you really take a lot of pride in caring for your beard and that you're very passionate about beard products. And it comes time for getting you a gift, whether it's the holiday season or it's your birthday or just because, and they want to get something that you will actually like. And so they associate those things and they say, you know what? I'm going to go out and get them some beard products. Now, maybe they order a kit off Amazon or they go to a store like Ulta. Who knows what process they go through, but they're so happy. They're excited because they're going to get you something that you love, that you really care about, and they deliver that gift to you. Now, after all the dust has settled, they are gone. You go into the bathroom, you take a look, and they are garbage products, whether it's a silicone-based product or maybe it's a really cheap product that is direct from China or whatever the case may be. It's just not up to the standards that you have for the products you put in your beard. Now, the question is, what do you do with that? In this video today, I'm going to give you my advice. There's no right or wrong answer. I would love for you to share your perspective on that and then any other tips or tricks or advice that you could give. And maybe we can help each other out on this journey of getting bad beard products, because I think we have all been there, which is a compliment. That is a good thing. And I'm going to go into that, but first I want to introduce myself. Thank you for checking this video out. My name is Dancy Bearded, and this channel is all about beard care, including beard products. If you're excited about beard products in general, hit a thumbs up for me to show me you like the video. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I think you will enjoy the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, genuinely, I want to say thank you. Now, let's start off by letting that sink in. They wanted to get something great for you, and they got you beard products. That shows that they support it. That shows that they understand it, and that's amazing. There's a lot of people that are not in that boat. The loved ones in their life do not support this. They do not go out of their way to acknowledge it and add to it. So first off, let's give kudos to those loved ones in your life. That's amazing. But you have these products. This is what I would recommend you do and what not to do. I would not use them. I would not throw them away. What I would do is tuck them in the back of your storage where you keep your beard products and just leave them there. You don't have to use them. You don't necessarily have to lie. But when they ask you, hey, how are you liking those beard products? You say, oh my gosh, I appreciate that so much. I love them. Now, that's not exactly a lie, right? You love that they got you beard products. You love the support that they offer. That's the real gift, and that's more valuable than any beard product that you could receive. And so just simply acknowledging that, you don't need to throw it away. You don't need to educate them. You don't need to tell them that this is a garbage product, that you're not going to use it. That would break their heart. That's going to really break down their spirit, and I'm not somebody that's going to do that. Now, some people will disagree, and that's okay. I can have civil discussions. I can have disagreements. I can have different opinions and be totally fine with that. We're still friends. If you disagree, please leave a comment. If you agree, please leave a comment. If you're in between and you're like, I didn't know what to do and oh, this sounds good, leave that as well. Because I really think that that's important. We want to encourage people supporting us, and we don't need to tear them down. But at the same time, you don't need to tear your beard down. There are products out there that could damage your beard, right? If it's a beard oil and it has alcohol in it, that's not going to be good for your beard health and your beard growth. Yes, those products exist out there. We have a live stream on Wednesday nights called Beard Advice Live. Someone sent in a question and said, hey, I received this gift, right? One of the kind of ideas of this video, and the first ingredient was an alcohol. Now, not all alcohols are bad when it comes to hair care, but they should never be in an oil, balm, or butter. There are good alcohols that are conditioning in things like conditioners or water-based products, but not in these ones. So simply show them appreciation, show them love, but also respect your beard at the same time. I have no idea where the comments are going to go with this, but I do feel pretty strongly about my advice, and this is exactly how I would handle it, or how I would want any kind of similar situation to be handled. But everybody's different. Everybody's relationship is different. Everybody's personality is different. I cannot wait to dig into that comment section. But above all, if you were someone that received that gift, congratulations for having people that understand you and that support you. That's huge. Absolutely huge. Do not take that for granted. Thank you guys for watching today. My name is Dancy Bearded one more time. Please stay bearded and stay positive.